All right, if you're watching this video, it is because you are probably considering becoming a member of our live trading room. And it's always a little disconcerting putting a credit card in, getting charged money. You don't know what you're getting into. You don't know who you're getting involved with. And so I have an absolute no risk guarantee. Absolute no risk guarantee. Prove to yourself. I don't need to prove it to you. I want you to prove to yourself how life-changing this really is. You will see life-changing opportunities, trading ideas, strategies, approaches that you probably have not seen or are familiar with prior to becoming part of our membership. So if you'll do that and you will follow the requirements that we have and it doesn't pan out for you, you don't think it really was a life-changing opportunity, I will double back to you your first month's subscription. I will give you double back what you put into it. So here's the asterisk. Here's the little fine details on doubling your money back guarantee and how that works. Okay, take a look at the requirements for you. And there are some requirements for you. This is a two-way street. You got to put some work into this. Number one requirement for you is that you need to complete your one-on-one Zoom strategy session with me. We will get together one-on-one on a Zoom. You have the liberty of booking that whenever it works for you based on my schedule that has open available slots. I'll email you a link once you get your trial signed up. You can pick the time that works best for you. You and I are going to spend about a half an hour together. We're going to go over your trading experience, where you're strong, where you're weak, what you're looking for, what would be life-changing for you. And we're going to try to lay out a plan of action for you. Make sure that you're on track. Number two, you need to engage on the live trades that we do every day for the full 30 days. If you don't participate, you don't qualify. You actually have to engage in the process of what we are doing as traders. I think that just obviously makes sense. Number three, you got to attend all of the live trading sessions. If you're not part of the program, it's hard to criticize the program, right? Number four, share your results each day with me via a direct message inside of our live Discord trading room. So every day at the end of the trading day, obviously you're going to see my results at the end of the day. Those get posted. I want to talk to you about your day and how it went for you, what you liked, what you didn't like. And just check in. Just make sure that you're on track and everything is going okay for you. Last but not least, number five is a weekly accountability check-in with me via Discord as well. At the end of each week, you can do it on Friday after the market closes, Saturday or Sunday, doesn't matter. Just before the next week's trading starts, I want you to check in with me. Let me know how your week went, if you're on track to meet your goals for making this a really life-changing experience. So that's essentially your requirements, folks, for enacting or enabling the double your money back, no risk guarantee. In other words, invest your $250 into 1 month's full access to the program. If you don't find that it's life-changing and you've completed all of those 5 steps, you get $500 returned to you, no questions asked. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.